Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make Margherita cheese at home. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 gallon of fresh whole milk, liquid rennet, and citric acid. Don't forget non-iodized salt and distilled water. Make sure all your pots, spoons, and molds are perfectly clean and sanitized to ensure a successful batch of delicious cheese. Now, let's start the cheese-making process. Gently heat 1 gallon of whole milk in a large pot to exactly 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches the correct temperature, stir in 1 1/2 teaspoons of citric acid solution. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of liquid rennet, which has been diluted in a small amount of cool water. Stir gently for about 30 seconds. After the curds have set, cut them into 1-inch cubes and let them rest for about 10 minutes. Then, gently heat the curds in hot water, maintaining a temperature of around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the curds are pliable, begin to stretch and fold them repeatedly. Continue this process until the cheese becomes smooth, elastic, and has a beautiful, shiny appearance. Finally, it's time to add flavor and shape your cheese. Knead in 1 to 2 teaspoons of non-iodized salt, adjusting to your taste preference. Once salted, form the cheese into your desired shapes, such as small, individual balls or a larger log. For best freshness, store your homemade Margherita cheese in a light brine solution in the refrigerator. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.